Well, we're reviewing the skirt steak place. We didn't bring the cake when we first went there, but we asked and they charged to sing.
Didn't they charge for you to bring the outside the cake in because they sell cake?
No, it's a singing fee, she said. But anywho, the open bottle fee was $35, so we just didn't pop the wine we had. Oh, we had just caught the place because right after we left, there was a huge line.
Like down the block and around the corner type-ish.
Like the seating is like lunchtime tables, which like was unattractive to me. Because it's long tables and you and your partner sit across from each other and you sit next to strangers.
You don't go there expecting to have a private conversation because that's a dub.
They said they don't have anybody else's dressing, they make their own. It is bitter to me, so I was disgusted. I had to use vinegar. Luckily they had it because they don't have nothing else.
It wasn't good to me.
I feel like if you want more steak, you gotta get it medium or rare because the way it was cooked down was like, it has to be a different part of the steak.
Extremely well done steak. I think you would have enjoyed it more if you would have got medium well.
He did what he did well.
I don't want to call it burnt because...
Warning, it's just the fries that are unlimited, not the steak. But you get a good amount, but if you want unlimited steak, you gotta go to Crab House. It was the same pop your bottle fee for Crab House though. They have a bar, and the bar's seats are stools. It's in the middle of the restaurant, and they have a cart of desserts that come around. So yeah, that's the steak place, guys. Let me get a large.
Large? And you want it with regular milk?
I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Oh no, it's cutting. Oh, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. My camera is shitty.
You said it was loud, but eating it.
Does this look spicy? I ordered both. Yo, he lit this shit on fire. The scorpion bowl. What's this?
That's cinnamon toast chicken.
That look like spicy.
That's sharp.
With the butter, right? Ooh. Goins. I found my crab.
I think it was me. You remember my cousin Ty?
Yeah.
It was me, Ty, and a few of my other cousins. We were supposed to do it.
Do what? Do what?
Do a punch bowl.
The punch bowl?
Punch bowl. Yeah, it's like a fish bowl. Oh. It's like,
No, we doing a video. This is a video. We got the Uggs going on.
Where all these doggy daycare?
So how you feel about the spot, babe?
Yo, that shit fire as fuck. I don't even eat seafood, but the whole place is a vibe. It's dope. The drinks is good. The steak is banging. The General Toast chicken, the chicken wings look alright. The French fries is A1. So for me, it's a go. Can't lose. I like it.
It's a smoke break. They really took all our food off the table because we didn't tell them we was going on a
when
break.
I came back, no, I did tell Ari. He was like, yo, I'm sorry. The bus guys is just real fast. I'm like, yo, but I know I told you I was going to smoke. He was like, yeah, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I'm sorry. He was like, yo, we're going to bring back everything you need. I wanted Ari to make my drink because that drink he made was banging. That drink Son made is, I feel like I got to drink a lot to get drunk. Like, that shit was on point.
So we're referring Ari or Arnie, right? I thought it was Arnie, but it's Ari.
His name's Ari. Whatever you was calling them, they was laughing.
I'm sorry, it's Ari, and it's a guy. So they close at 10. Sometimes they open at 5, so we quit it right before it closed. Oh, and no charge for singing happy birthday, but there is a charge for opening your bottle like every other place. Last round. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. It got messed up, but I'm cool.
It got a little messed up.
Which one? Can I have a little bowl? Okay. I like chocolate, but I like vanilla. It smells good too. You know, it's not raspberry? No, it's dark chocolate. We're about to finish the punch bowl. Yeah. What is it, scorpion bowl?
Scorpion ball.
All right, let's go.
This is how you do that, look.
We are here for the famous ice cream. I'm only here for the honeycomb. And I don't want it out of these, I want it fresh. Yo, we let them have the cake because the guy did not keep his promise, yo.
She's so petty. They were like, everybody was like, oh, it's good. She was like, it's good too. But it's not what I wanted. Y'all can have it. I was your age, like they couldn't see them gray hairs. We
Black
mad
don't
dim.
And black don't crack. He's a grandpa. Yeah, you get 2 free sugar cones if you get it made fresh.